In this video, I will tell you about the best proxies providers in the market right now, and I will tell you how to set up the proxy in your Windows. For that, the process is very simple. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. And I will provide the link to all the best top 5 providers in the description below so you guys can check them out. The number one provider is Smart Proxy. So their overall rating is 9.3 out of 10 and their pool size is very large. They offer 195 plus countries. Their success rate is 99.68% and the response time is 0.54%, which is very incredible for the residential proxies. So the second one in the list is Oxylab and it is also one of the best in the market with a 9.3 overall rating and the response time is better than the Smart Proxy and overall success rate is also better than the Smart Proxy. Their pool size is also very large. Location is 195 plus countries. And if we go to the third number on the list, that is Bright Data. It is also very good, but as comparatively to these Oxy Labs and Smart Proxy, it comes a little bit low and it stands on the number third on the list. And then there is SOX, which is fourth on the list, and then NetNut. So these are top 5 providers, and you guys can buy their plan to get the smart. Once you have got the smart proxy that you wanted, all you have to do is go to the main page of your Windows and just press in the Windows key. Once the window key has been pressed, just type in setting and open up the setting option. Once you are on the setting, you will be redirected to this menu. Here you will see network and internet option. Just go ahead and click on that. And there will be a proxy option at the bottom of the left hand side. Just go ahead and click on that and you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see that there is automatic proxy setup. We don't have to do that. We're gonna go ahead and click on manual proxy setup. Here you will see there is an option use proxy server. Just go ahead and toggle it on. And here you will see the address and port number. So what you guys have to do is to type in the IP address provided by the server and the provider and type in the port number as well. So here, sometimes for the authentication purposes, residential proxies ask for your username and password. You can provide that in this address. This is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.